Hello everyone, I'm Cadet 2nd Class Ray Cedric Ivan, and welcome to this presentation on distress, urgency, and safety messages in maritime communications. So, without delay, let's continue. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is the MV Ocean Voyager, OVC 1234. We are in distress. Our vessel is taking on water rapidly due to hull damage sustained during a storm. Immediate assistance required. Position: 32 degrees 15 minutes north, 64 degrees 45 minutes west. We have 20 persons on board. Life rafts deployed. Over. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MV Ocean Voyager. Urgent assistance requested. Repeat. Immediate assistance needed. Over. Pan. This is the MV Ocean Voyager, OVC 1234. We have a medical emergency on board. One crew member suffering from severe chest pain, requiring urgent medical advice and possible evacuation. Position: 32 degrees 15 minutes north, 64 degrees 45 minutes west. Request medical assistance and advice. Over. Pan. MV Ocean Voyager, standing by for medical instructions. Over. Security. This is the MV Ocean Voyager, OVC 1234. Navigational warnings for all vessels in vicinity. Position: 32 degrees 20 minutes north, 64 degrees 50 minutes west. Wreckage reported floating approximately 500 meters off the starboard bow. Exercise caution when navigating in this area. Over. Security. MV Ocean Voyager, monitoring channel 16. Over. This concludes the sample transmissions for distress, urgency, and safety messages. Always ensure your radio communications follow the correct protocols to safeguard lives and property at sea.